Hi everyone, Dakota again from becomingaprogrammer.com. We're continuing our series on building a Hacker News clone in AngularJS. In the last video we added this post state here, and in this video we're going to start adding some content to it. So looking at the Hacker News site, you can see here that we have the story on the top and then a add comment form and then the comments displayed nested below. So first thing we're going to do is add the story at the top here. So to do that, we can use the story directive that we created in part 2 of this series, and all we need to do is pass in the ID of the story we want to display, but we need to get that into the view first, and the way we do that is it's actually coming in through this URL, so we need to use the stateParams object. And in order to be able to use that, we need to inject it within the StoryController. So we're going to add this to our array of minification safe dependencies, add stateparams, and then also add it here within our actual function definition for the controller. Oop, I didn't spell that right. Okay. And then we're going to want to get that the ID property from the state parameters and store it. So we'll do vm.id equals stateParams.id. And we can save that. And then just to test this out, let's open up the story comments view again and see what the value of vm.id is. And we'll hope when we reload this that, yeah, we see ID is equal to 1. Okay, so that's great so far. And then now that we have that ID, we can pass it to the story directive. So create a story directive element and pass the ID attribute of vm.id. Save it, reload, and look at that. Now we have the first post from the Hacker News. So now that we got that in there, let's add those changes and commit them to the repository. Alright, and I will see you in the next video.